Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we're going to be using only NYX products, except for two. I actually missed two, but this is the look that I achieved using only these products. Some of them are new launches, some of them are things that I've had in my collection already. So let's just get started. To start, I'm going to use the pomade. I think this is the Tame and Frame pomade in the tone Chocolate. I'm not a huge fan of this pomade, I have to be honest with you guys, but for some reason for this look it worked out amazing. Moving on to this tinted brow gel by NYX. This is one of my favorite products from the entire collection of NYX or whatever NYX have ever come out with. Love this for setting my eyebrows. I will obviously leave you guys the names down below if you guys want to check any of the items that I'm using today. Moving on to this beautiful palette. This is one of the last ones that came out from NYX. This is the Phoenix palette. This is one of the small ones, the edit one. Starting off with that little pinky kind of mauve-y color. We're just going to place that all over our crease and just going to pack it in until we have the opacity that we want. You guys know that I love doing this trick whenever I'm using bold colors on my eyes. Moving on to the red color of this palette. Just so you guys know, this color does stain your eyelids. So if you're going to be going into work the next day, just be sure not to use this color on your on your eyes, because it does tend to stain. And we're just going to pack that on exactly where we put that previous color, that pinky one, and then grabbing that purple one, we're just going to pack that in the outer corner just to deepen the outer corner and just give more definition to the eye. I'm also going to run it along the line of the crease just to intensify that look. Now grabbing a concealer, we're just going to cut that area, cut the moving lid just like halfway, and then grabbing that orange, I'm just going to pack that color in to give it more life. And I don't know, I'm like obsessed with that color, the orange color. Moving on to eyeliner. This is one of the last purchases that I did by NYX. I believe this is a new product as well. It reminds me a lot of the Kat Von D Trooper eyeliner, and to be honest with you guys, I'm loving it, so definitely recommend. And now grabbing that purple color and that red color, I just completed the bottom part, and I also did the yellow in the inner corner. Now moving on to skin, we're going to be using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. You guys know that I love this foundation. It has amazing coverage, and I don't know, to be honest with you guys, I love the finish. And then moving on to the concealer, I also am using the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the same shade as my foundation, which is neutral tan. And now I'm gonna set the whole thing up with the Won't Stop Can't Stop setting powder. For contour, I'm using the NYX palette. I've had this palette forever. Here I'm just commenting in Spanish that this palette is a little bit pigmented, so just be sure to blend everything out. And for blush, since I don't have a blush for NYX, I use MILANI Rose Oro because it's my favorite. I also set my entire makeup with a pixie spray and did my lips with Abu Dhabi, which is one of the matte lip creams, and I also use beige to line my eyes. Line my lips. And lastly, I'll apply a little bit of highlighter. I'm using here one by a Colombian YouTuber. Her name is Paula. And this is the look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I kind of rushed through the end of the look. Let me know if you guys have any questions, if you want me to do more in detail tutorial. I did end up using a lot of the footage that I did for my Spanish channel, which is a review, to give you guys a tutorial on this look, because I do think it turned out amazing. So I hope you guys like it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, let me know down below what you think, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Kisses, bye.